So guys, there is a question, and the question says that the angle theta between the ramp and the horizontal surface slowly increases from 0. Okay, so there is a ramp and it is slowly increasing like this. An object on the ramp does not slide as theta increases. Friction force on the object is constant, negligible, or proportional to cos theta or sin theta. So first of all, understand that what's happening. So when the theta is increasing, see the forces on this for object. It is the weight, and you know that the frictional force will be like this. And this angle will also be theta, because this is theta, this is theta. So this is W cos theta, and the force that will push the object downwards will be W sin theta. So W sin theta is the force that will pull the object towards ground, and W is the downward force, and frictional force is the force that will stop the object, and it will make the object in a same position. So if the sin theta will increase, this frictional force will be reduced, then it will move downwards. So, but there is another formula that you may confuse, is mu n. Mu n, and the normal, this n is equals to W cos theta. So you might say that the frictional force is equals to mu W cos theta. So it is directly proportional to the cos theta. But this is not the concept here, because this is the F max. It will give you the value of maximum friction that can take place between them. But the real frictional force will be W sin theta. So the force will be, the frictional force will be equals to W sin theta. So the force will be directly proportional to the sin theta. So it will be D option will be the right option, because it is not constant, not negligible, and not proportional to cos theta. So we will check the mark scheme. Mark scheme says D, then D option is sin theta. So basically in this question, what we have done, I'll give you a little example. Like there is an object here, and suppose there is some friction, that is mu equals to 0.5, and the weight is 10. So we will calculate frictional force. Frictional force will be mu n, that will be equals to 0.5 into 10, that is 5. Okay, 5 Newton. So if the force, this is the maximum force. How? Because if the force is suppose 1 Newton, the frictional force will be 1 Newton. If the force is 2 Newton, the frictional force will be 2 Newton. Up to 5 Newton, the frictional force will be equal to the force that we will put on the object. But when the force, suppose force is 6 Newton, and the frictional force will be 5 Newton, because it can't go above 5 Newton, then the net F net will be 6 minus 5 equals to 1 Newton. So the same concept is on this body. As the object is not moving downwards, the force exerted on the body will be equal to the frictional force. And once the body will go down, the maximum F maximum will be exerted on this body. So do not confuse, the answer will be D option. Thank you for watching this video. If you have some doubts, you can put your queries in the comment section.